In this tutorial, I'm gonna talk to you how you're going to attend the conferences. The last tutorial, I talked about how to schedule your class, and now you're gonna actually attend the class, which is called conference. So you click on your class, so that's this class over here, and you go to conferences here on the left. Click on conferences. So as you can see here, the conference hasn't started, okay? So if you click here, so you see start, so you are not able to log in. So if you click here, nothing is going to happen. You're not able to join. So from my end, I have to open the conference so you can join. And I usually open the conference 10 minutes before the class starts. So I will click here on start to show you the next screen. So now, as you can see, you have here in progress. Okay, so that changes. So then you click here and join. Even if you are kicked out of the conference or something happens, or if you disconnect, you go back to conferences and then you click here and then you join again. So once you click join, you're gonna have this screen. I'm using Google Chrome, so if you use Firefox, those are the best browsers. If you use Firefox, maybe you have some different screens. So click on microphone. Then, yes. You are currently the only person in this conference. All right, so this is the screen. And I'm going to click here on the microphone so you don't hear myself. If I'm using my headphone, you are not going to listen to my voice. But as soon as you go into the conference and you see that everything is working, you can mute yourself so people don't keep hearing what is going around in your background. Here, you're going to have slides. So now I'm going to upload here my slides so you can have an idea of what your screen should look like. So let's go over here, week 2, and then let's see greetings, and I'm gonna upload the slides here. So it's uploading, and then that's how your screen should look like. You should be able to see my slides as I'm teaching. So it's completing the upload. Just hang on there. There you go. So here you have my slides. Okay, so this is your microphone. Okay, you should choose microphone. Sometimes you have like a megaphone, and you're just a listener. So if you have any problems, if you cannot talk, if you are sick, if you are in a very busy place, you choose to be just as a listener. But the ideal is that you can use your microphone so you can talk to me. Here is how you're going to turn on your camera. You are required to have your camera on for our first class and during the oral evaluations. So you click here, allow. Then you check, is your hair good? Fine, okay, everything is good. So then your camera is going to be here. Okay, so that's how you sign up. That's how you attend the conferences.